Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be sharing with you my quick and easy oven baked moi recipe. Where moi, which is known as bean cake in English, is a popular Nigerian meal, and it's one of the meal you wouldn't want to miss out on, especially in parties and events.
Key ingredients in this recipe include boiled egg, fish, corned beef, onion, a mix of palm oil and vegetable oil. And guys, it's necessary to debone your fish to avoid swallowing the bones while eating the moi moi. And I will be using a mix of the chili pepper and the bell pepper because the chili pepper alone would not give me the redness I desire. And I will be using one onion in blending of the beans, and I will be frying the other. And guys, the taste of the fried onion in the moi moi is so unique. Ensure you don't miss this step. Also, I will be using a mix of palm oil and vegetable oil, and I will be bleaching the palm oil a bit, just a bit. Often, most people don't like to make moi moi because it's time consuming, especially the peeling of the beans. And I will be dropping a link in the description on how you can get your beans ready in just a few minutes. Do not forget to check the description. I will be using my fish stock in blending of my beans, and guys, you have to be careful when adding water in the blender. I would blend until my desired texture is assured. Now that my moi moi mix is ready, I would be adding in all other ingredients. And first, I will be dissolving my seasoning cube in hot water before adding. This is to ensure proper mixing. Once that is properly blended in, I would be adding in all other ingredients except the egg, which I'm going to add last. And I would also be using grounded crayfish and corned beef. Ensure your baking dish or baking tray or muffin pan is properly greased before adding in the moi moi batter. Key things to note while baking or before baking is your moi moi might require different baking time based on the pan or the tray used. For example, the muffin pan used here, the moi moi in heat was done within just 25 to 30 minutes, while the one in the baking dish was done after 1 hour. And before placing the tray and the pan in the oven, ensure you cover with aluminum foil. There is also the need to supply additional water to the moi-moi while baking. This can be done by adding the water into a separate baking dish or by pouring into your oven tray before placing your moi-moi into the oven. Baking should be done at 200 degrees Celsius. Do not forget to check in the description for the link to the video on the easiest way to get your beans ready for moi-moi, or the quick way to peel your beans. Ensure you drop a comment below after trial, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell in order to be informed when I have